shibon girukam trekam hagani galat. Haba jubab ya jingkeli haga kenta keli jingkeli ha Raja Sabha ugat kari ula ong bala debru ya ki pump ethanol ha kelengeri bala penslur ban pendankam da ki kali a vehicle bat ki kali bayat da ke air hydrogen ula ongru baki jat kali bala penyat da ke bor ke flex fuel ethanol la penlat hagari Menteri ula ongru baka jing tau ya ke machine ba penyat da ke bor ke hydrogen da ke company JCB kalas dang hagari bat shen on sashnai ki trok ban penyat da ke bor ke air hydrogen ban tek lakam ya ke jing penmi le air jabo da ki kali Menteri rang ba ukan rat ke sangma hanin gesngi ula pentep baka sarkar kan sa penkela ya ke Meghalaya Public Service Commission MPSC bat ya barok ka wei ke rukum thungkam thungjam da ke batau sho ki recruitment board ka sarkar kala sya ban ya ka rukum thungkam ka bastet hagabaya day bat ka jikin top ya ka tin Khasi bat garo ukan rat ula ong baka sarkar jela kala dap ban thok ka shiti ban pha hau banai nai weng sya ka sarkar pedeng ban kentop mardor ya ka tin Khasi bat garo haka kernet bapra jangkariti sensyari
Already we have passed a resolution. That's number one. After the resolution was passed, on multiple occasions I have written to Government of India to include both Khasi and Garo language in the 8th schedule. After the Khasi Author Society had met me last time, within the first week of November, I don't remember the exact date, I have already written a letter to the Home Ministry reminding them again, and this is after the meeting with the Khasi Author Society, and based on their suggestion, I had once again written in the first week of November.
Executive member jaga Khasi Hills Autonomic District Council uba jigar mirthong bat uba fantin je lakadong lambat usiem ke meliam upa iem aina manik siem ki menteri kahima meliam bat ki enforcement jongka KHADC hinin gesngi kila pelong ya ka jingken ra kensan ya ka trading license bat ka labor license ha yau do shalong haba kren bat kilat pathai khobor executive member badai khmi ya ka tanat trade uba jigar mirthong ulayatho badang shen ka office jong CM kalayo ya ka shiti na ka seng khun ken thei uhinyau trap association ki bala ujor da ki katto kat ni teli ki dukan hayaudo ki bomdon ya ka trading license but labor license ka bala pelong ya ka council ban like kenra kensan ula pentip ru ba ka council kalalap baki don katto kat ni teli ki dukan ki bomdon ka trading license katanat enforcement jong ka KHADC kala khang dam ya kini ki dukan kat gom ka kindon an
ibadon trading license hausan tuli nang bagi kena nagalian jo council ban nagalian jo kahimaru kilala ban sim ya kadono ka bentar pusat buat kumene ka magile katu ka degi kalong kai ka ba bomsing tenan abang iba hila wan ban ai complain haka nuka kam gumut pidai ban wan lang kamtam e pi ai ra kerteng association ada individual to kila ban wan dre mentaki wan da ka asyot gumut kidai ban ya donlang bat ni mentas ni dre ki klem wan kena kaleng ni ngila le ya ka ek badon kam ni ma council ngila ya ngila persang ban wat ya kita kiba kila ajing to kini ki association dre ngila ba ki don hi ka to kat ni kiba 4 renew ya license ki don kiba song klem padon license ya itu ngila ya cakmat kat kendon ka council
Menteri badi khmi ikatanat kam jungok kai ka sarkar Meghalaya uba polling do ulaong bakatanat kala pentrai kam yiki rukam penbet ban penbha yiki jingdon kam haki jaka jungok kai hakeleng ke jela habakren bat kilat pathai khobor uba pol ulaong bola dep ban khmi benya yiki jaka jungok kai baper hakaba kidang don bun ki jingduna ulakin tho bala dep ban penkre yiki jing ai jingmut kdang ban la ban penbyang ban penbha yiki ni ki jaka jungok kai hagaju ka pol menteri ula pentip ru baka sarkar Meghalaya kadang yakren bakatanat kam jungok kai ka sarkar pedeng ban kentiu ka kam jungok kai ha ka jilla
had a review meeting on these various existing tourist sites where amenities are found lacking. We will take a course correction measures. A lot of proposals are being prepared in order to refurbish and improve these sites. And more importantly, we will also be having another round of consultation with all stakeholders, because a lot of these sites are not the property of the tourism department. We are only supporting the local communities.
Umentri gatanat kapuli puthi urakam sangmau laong baka sarkar kalarai banwan rak na kawai pat ka subject man hikai ki kena halor ki kendon jong ka 6 schedule jong ka riti senshar ri nalor ka kolshor bat ki riti dustur jong ki laitli ki kenhon jat ben riau ka Meghalaya ulaong bahadien baladap pen bhaya ka rukam jing puli ha ka jela kan sa shaya ka jing puli ka bakumno on puli hakika dan elementary upper primary bat secondary ula pentip ru basyan katanat kan sa syong banya peliu jing mut bat ka seng Khasi Author Society KAS bat ka Achik Literature Society ALS nalor ki riu syampang ha ka subject bat ki klik nong senshar halor ki jat subject bade ban puli ha ka kedan elementary primary upper primary
new
secondary
in the state for the first time that will that every students from the state and outside the state who comes and study in Meghalaya must study about our own culture, our own language, our own food, our own dress, our own geography, our own state, our own region. Therefore, and also, every student must study about some basic law during the school and also about the 6th schedule, which is a very, very strong pillar for the tribals community.
Kijingjia thombor persha ki kentei bat khna kaladang kio bat kalong ka kam ka ba ka tanat pulit haba penpau ya jing ngau khia halor ka jing kio ki kam thombor persha ki kentei bat khna ha Meghalaya ka shongknor ka Meghalaya Assembly of Women panel ikong Santa Mary Shila ila ong ba ki kentei bat ki khna kim dei ban sha pen saja ha ka jela Meghalaya ila penpau ru ya ka jing ngau khia halor shibon ki mukot duma ki bala shu sa teng ha ka ba ya dei ba ka jing thombor persha ki kentei bat khna ka committee halor ka women empowerment kala let chiki ka to ka ni kali ki district ikong Santa Mary ila ong ba ki kam kin yat bet kumba ki de ban yat ka committee kala ya trailang bat ki bor senshar district bat ki pulit ban pentikna ba ki mukot duma pokso kim de ban sateng bat ka jingtok ket ka de ban long ka bastan.
Yes, I've told them that I've told all the districts that please see that there should be so much concern for the women, that they should be safe mainly. That you should not ignore them, because sometimes being a woman is very being ignored. But I told the police department and the SPs of all the districts that please see to that any crime against women, you should take action immediately, so that.
Umentri katanat puli puthi urakam sangma henen kasngi ulalej banya shementa kum ukongsan haga jingalang basan bajulong shisin shisnam janga Meghalaya Upper Primary School Teachers Association MUPSTA ka MUPSTA kala rakhe ka lingko snam balai pau jongka ringkat kapang pedeng be a leader, be the difference, be the light, be a teacher. La pelong ya kani gajing rakhe hamadan kawang umulong bat balawan ya shimbenta da ke MLA ke sut ngasai pung ka Santa Mary Shila bat ki wei riu pa khmat haga jilla haga jingalang ki dekat baningkong jong ka MUPSTA kila syak penkup berom bat la batai lingkot ru ya ka history jong ka sinjuk uba kanet shut up ula IT ya ka dorkas bat kongsan ula pelat ya ka thup saken mau haba ai jingkren urakam sangma ula ai kublai ye ginong hikai ki barakhe ke jing dap lai posnam ba ula paru ya ke jing ai kublai na menteri rang ba kitkot ka kenhun menteri bat ka sarkar.
I wish, as our honorable advisor has already stated, when we see our teachers on the street, it does not sound good. It does not sound good. Yes, there is a problem. There will be a problem. But there is always a way forward. Therefore, may I would like to assure you today whatever the possible that we can. Government is trying and will try our best to address the problems of the teacher.
Hakawai ni ki program bala penyat daga sarkar India kamadan jong ka boldam gri UP school kala sakhi ya ka jing penlong ya ka district level program halor ka Viksit Bharat Sankalp Yatra hinde ka ski kani ka program ka thumu ban kintiyo ya ka roi ka par pat ka bha ka miat ha ka than ha ka jing shim smai ha ka hamara Viksit Sankalp Bharat Yatra la ya shim banta da baro ban penjur ya ka jing tre shitom jong ki halor ban penlong ya ka India keri ke baroi bapar la penpo penpieng ya ka ski daga ba penlong ya ka program dharti kahe pukar ke bat ka meri kahani meri zubani kinong yo mentoi kata ka blurina ji momin na boldam gre South Garo Hills ka sakrimzi marak na upper boldam gre bat ka Hasina Begum na Mahendraganj ka dhuli para LPG kilaya sami ki jing sham jongki da ka ba penshai halor ka jing pentre kam ya ka ni ka sinjam hagajo ka po la samro iki sernat ban itho ya ka jing tre shitom jong baro ki balano senyang ha ka ni ka benta
district administration ni palo amaran
anda tangi donmu kemen sangat kapan orang ko rokat nak kita colma ye seciko tengah ye seciko ke parang ko madam orang ko sarang ko namin hotel bena tanam dekat sini song ketemu na bari bayi muna yang dak parang ko tengah dak dengan ina hotel lah aro sini ya grupo na panici tengah dak cakani beha ini gimana sakan juga angin akan itu macam tu sakan juga hotel lah
ka Shillong Central Training Institute for Civil Defence and Home Guard ka Badon Hamau Diang Diang kala sakhi ka jing rakhe ka Rising Day ba an Rio Paway jongka la pensdang ya gadi ski da ka jing ya parade hakba u coming one umban ubade ubentri ka tanat civil defence ulalong u kongsan la pengup buram da ki takma shekinong tre jong ka tanat civil defence but home guard ki bala ai ka jing shakri bapaka batru la sam ya ki sernat sheki to ki bala no senyang bat tre shit reham hakakam
Havildar instructors
in all the districts now, in all the 12 districts. I have an honourable minister who is equally keen and has...
The SDRF team has arrived. The leader of the team is reporting to the incident command officer.
I am sure that along with the family members are very proud of the recognition which they have received. I am sure that in future also these officers and men will continue to serve the department with great sincerity and devotion to the duty. The award of these medals, commendation deeds and commendation certificate should serve as inspiration to others to perform their official duty in a more diligent manner.
Kinong rap ka ribhoy kila rakhe ka World Soil Day ka balong ka kamay jackpot ha ka baya day bat ka rap ka riang la penya ya kani ka program da ka Rila Jong Farmer Produce Organization ringkat ka jing snok tilang bat ka College of Postgraduate Studies in Agriculture Sciences CPG SAS Omyam kani ka program bala penlong hanong po kayu i ka jing shim benta jong kinong rap kinong mi khmat na ka CPG SAS Omyam bat ki khot jong ka Rila Jong Farmer Produce Organization hagabaya day ba ka jing penhe pensan ya ka mensi man sumar ya ka kindaw ka jing le ka men ka kintop ya ka jing sam ya ki tiar rap ki ba kongsan mentang ne pa ya ka jing long jing man ka simneng hashilo Kajing shit kalong kat kandai point R degree Celsius, but kajing kret kalong kandai point R degree Celsius. Kajing singam kahaw kalong nyopo na kashispa menstap, but nyopolai na kashispa janmin. Kala bandon kajing hap slap kaba malu mala, but kajing domlo hakikat to kan hi kijaka. Shoban poy siya bakot jang katup kubon, ini pet yang sasisi ni kimat pakangsan. Treshi tom ka sarkar ban penslur ban pendan kam de ki wai pat ki jat umpliang bat ki biofuel menteri katanat road and transport ka sarkar pedeng unitin gatkari ka sarkar kala dep ha ek shiti che ka sarkar pedeng ban ken thop ek tin khasi bat garo ha ka khirnet bapra ong menteri rang ba ukan rat ke sangma Phinra trading license but labor license to executive member of the Khasi Hills Autonomic District Council Hayaudo. Pentri kam katanak kam jengok kaya ke kam penbaik penpai ke jindon kam haki jaka jengok kaya haka jila Wallingdo. But Rakhi ke Central Training Institute Shillong for Civil Defence and Home Guard ya ke Rising Day ke Bandar Kuwait. Palok dikit-dikit kubuang la poisya berkut jangka tuk kubuang jengi betang ke janmin. Hadu begini siam biang wat pira syai kesini keblai pi baro.